Hey guys, it's Paul here again from 074. Back for video number 2 for the Skyline. The plan is today is to take a few bits down to flock it anyway in Sligo to Dave. I've given him a call there. He's going to flock the dash, the door cars, the centre console and the glove box for me, hopefully in the next couple of weeks, just to give the dash a bit of a different feel whenever it's all complete. So we have to bring them down, get them out of the car here, give them a bit of a clean, see what kind of state they're in before we take them down. Then after that there, the plan is to sand a bit of the inside of the roof and use etch primer on it. There's a bit of burn damage that's evident from the paint on the roof, so that needs to be touched up at a later date, but for now we just need to do some rust prevention on the inside to make sure it doesn't get any worse in the meantime. With that there as well, we'll also do a bit of a clean around the inside as well, make sure everything's nice and clean before I start putting down the new interior. I've also reached out to a group in Leeds in the UK. I think they're called ML AutoWorks. I'll put a link down in the description here. But they basically were able to source me everything I need for the interior. They need to replace all the carpet, the roof lining, the rear pillars, window pillars and stuff like that there. So hopefully that'll land in the next couple of weeks or so. Get them all cleaned up and painted and put them in. And hopefully at that stage I'll have most of the interior finished. So just going ahead and get started here. Thanks for watching. So with all the interior bits out, that's going down to get flocked. We have the centre console bit. This bit here is what sits underneath the steering wheel. The centre console bit as well. I'm not doing all the centre consoles. I don't think I want to do all of it flocked. For a bit of contrast, the glove box as well is in good shape. The dash is mostly in good shape. The plastic bits were cracked when we pulled them out, so might replace them, might not, we'll see how it looks when it's back. Passenger kick panel as well, and then the door cards. So just noticed there's some pretty heavy fire damage here on one of the panels, but thankfully that's the only damage in all of this, so I was pretty lucky with that. But hopefully Dave will be good enough to kind of fill us in and sand it back and then flock it. So I got to pack these up and get down the road pretty quick. So I got the parts back from Dave yesterday. I flocked it anyway. It's been a few weeks since I left them off. Just hadn't had time to call back down to get them, but he did a very good job with them. And what I'll do here, they're still out in the car here, so I'll just pull them in, and they're all nice and wrapped up. I don't want to unwrap them right now, but I'll unwrap one or two of them just so you can see what kind of quality he does with them, what kind of finish he leaves them in, and hopefully what they look like when they're in the car. So got all the parts lifted in there. Just a few things I want to show you before I pack it away here, before it's ready to go into the car. So this is one of the center console bits. This is one I pulled out yesterday to see what it looks like, but you can see like the level of detail that Dave does here. It's a very nice finish on it. he's very cautious as well with the mounting points and the screw points as well, not to cover them up. So all the screw points on all of these are still pretty clear and easy to use. So one thing I wanted to show you was on the passenger's door as well. So there was, if you remember earlier in the video, there was a lot of extensive fire damage on this corner. Let's open it up here. You can see that Dave has done a pretty good job at filling it, sanding it back and covering it up for me, so that's very nice to see. Also with R32 dashes, there's a very common issue with them on the passenger side where there's like a bubble that comes up on it, so I wanted them to really get rid of that, because it's been on the car since the day I got it and I did not like it. So he did a very good job here of just sanding it down, flattening it down, filling out where you needed and covering it up. So yeah, that's where we're at. So there's the other bits over there as well. So I don't want to unwrap any of this right now until it's ready to go in, otherwise it'll just get covered in dust, and anyone who's worked with this material before knows it's pretty hard to clean. So let's give you guys a quick look at the inside, see where we're at. As you can tell, we're nowhere, but getting there, slowly but surely. Okay, just before I end the video here, just want to give you a quick update on where I am with the build and the parts needed for it. So as you saw there, the parts came back from Flocking there yesterday. I went down to get them myself from Dave at Flock anyway in Sligo, so he did a pretty good job there. Really nice finish on them, but they're going to stay out of the car until everything else is in place. So you saw there at the end, I just did a quick look inside the car to see where everything's at, and it looks crazy at the minute, but you know, it's slowly coming together. I've been in touch with a guy in England as well, like I said before, Matt. He works for a import company out of Leeds. He was actually breaking or turning his R32 into, I think, a drift car. So there was a lot of the interior bits that he had that I could buy at one bulk. So it saves me kind of trying to source from different people and stuff. So he's trying to package that up and get it sent over hopefully this week or next week. So hopefully the next week or two I'll have that. I'm also calling down to a guy, Seamus in Monaghan, on Saturday next to hopefully get the rest of the small bits that I need, just some plastic bits that I'm missing. Apart from that, this week I have to really, you know, take everything out of the car, clean everything from top to bottom. There's still that residue, that burnt smell baked into some of the other fabric bits, plastic bits that I'll be reusing. So the plan is to sand that down and spray it up with just a nice matte black finish or something like that there. And also, as you saw, I need to clean down all the panels behind the seats and all as well. So bit of work to be done yet, but hopefully these videos become a bit more frequent over the next couple of weeks till I get a big push on to get finished. So cheers, thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe.